Hey guys, so today I have another video for you all, and this is going to be the new Jeffree Star Holiday Collection and Alien palette. So I'm going to show you how I achieved this look, as well as swatching the palette for you all, and also showing you the new lip products. I only have the velour liquid lips. I didn't get the lip ammunitions, just because I wasn't really interested in those. I mean, I may get Alien Tears, but I'm not 100% sure on that. I just want to show you what I got from his new collection and show you guys what it looks like so you can see if you want to get it. This is the palette. This is the box right here, so it just looks like Galaxy. It says Jeffree Star Alien. Yeah, I love anything that has to do with like the stars and the galaxy and all that stuff, so had to get this. So I love the palette. He's so different with his palettes, which I really like and appreciate. Also, I don't know if you can see the eyes, they do stick up, and it feels really like solid and like very well made. It doesn't feel cheap or anything like that. This is the inside. So it has 18 shades. So the first one is called Pluto. So it's like a nice like champagne-y white. It has gold flecks in it. Next one is called Titan, which is pretty much my skin tone, so you're really not gonna be able to see it. Then we have Alien. I don't have anything like this color. The next is Interstellar. Then we have Abduction, which is a nice like transition shade for the greens. And then we have UFO. That's so pretty. And we have Gravity, but instead of TY, it's TEA. Then we have Martian Soil. Then we have Flying Saucer, which is so pigmented, it even covers my tattoo pretty nicely. And then we have Phone Home, which I'm obsessed with shades that look like these, like those mauve-y kind of colors. Love those. Then we have Moon Rock right here. That's really pretty. Next is X-Files. Alright, my arm is still a little wet, so kind of skipped a little bit. Next is Ghost OG. Which looks black on camera, but it's a really dark, like, greeny brown color. Next is Area 51, which is my favorite shade in the palette. I've seen it doesn't swatch that great, so I'm going over it again, but on the eyes it worked really nice. Then we have Space Cowboy, which is a really pretty shimmer brown. Then we have Probe, which is a really pretty duochrome. Like there it looks brown, and then it's like a teal shimmer. Then we have Tall Gray. And then last but not least, Black Hole. So smooth. This is the bag that I got. It's just the white one. I got the smaller bag and I really like it. I don't know if you can see, but it has like that glitter in it. And it's so pretty, so much room. Like everything that I use for like daily makeup, like foundation, concealer, contour palette, all that stuff, that all fit in here, which is amazing. So these are definitely worth it. I also got one lip scrub, and I got the salted caramel because I'm obsessed with salted caramel anything. So it has glitter on the top, and it's just white, And I already used this and tasted it, and it really does taste like salted caramel. It's crazy. And it really smells like it. Matching the lips. So I got all 8. I was gonna order 5 of them, but I decided I'm gonna be spending pretty much the same thing. Might as well get all 8. So we're gonna start with the lightest one. We're gonna start with Can't Relate. So I don't know if you can really tell, the lighting is not the best right now, but this is a hollow white unicorn. And this one is Can't Relate, and the packaging is so nice. So last year he had like the glitter that like faded to the bottom. This time it's all glitter, and I don't know if you can really see it in the tube. Oh yeah, you can. So it's like a red gold glitter, and it's also in the cap as well, but it's a little harder to see on camera, I think. So for me, it's not as light as I thought it would be. It makes my teeth look a little yellow. That's the only thing. For me, I would use like either a darker lip liner, or I would use this as like an ombre for in the middle. Also, I want to apologize in advance for how terrible the last color is going to probably look, because my application is probably going to be terrible and I'm going to look like I have makeout lips. So yeah. The next one is Clout, which is a metallic. And I'm super excited for this one just because it's so pretty, and I'm going to use it for either like Halloween looks next year, or even an eyeliner. So that's one coat. So that is with 2 layers. I can already feel my lips like stinging a bit, and I'm only done 2. The next one is Scandal, which is probably the one I am pretty excited for. There are 2, but Scandal is like my kind of shade that I like to wear a lot. So the next one is Jeffree Who. I love his sarcasm. How do people do these and still have their lips looking nice? Like, mine just look crusty. So the next one is Hi, How Are Ya? And this one is a metallic. No, this is a glitter. So Jeffree says once it dries, like, and then you will see the glitter, it'll activate it. Next one is Karma, which is like an army green kind of color. Just gonna dip in a little bit because it is a little patchy. Don't mind this lip swatch. I told you it was just gonna get worse. But this is Karma. I'm trying to get rid of this awkward like red ring around my lips, but... So this next one is called You're Still on the Property, which is a metallic blue color, like Pacific blue color. Last but not least, and definitely going to be my favorite, I think, in the whole collection, is Triggered, which is a really dark, like cherry red purple. This is definitely my favorite out of all of them. I love dark lips, and I think this looks sick with this eye look, just saying. So thoughts on this whole collection is Jeffree did it again. I love it. I think the palette is so different from what you usually see. Like, I never really see like palettes that are focused more on like greens and like, I don't know, like I've never seen a palette like that. It's either like rainbow and then you get a couple greens in there, or it's like pastel greens. Like, I've never seen a neon green. I've never put a green like this on my eye, and I'm obsessed. The lip colors are so pretty. They're so different. He always comes out with colors and they look like other lipsticks that he has, but then when you see like other people swatching them next to each other, or you swatch them next to those other shades, they're completely different. So I really like that about him. Like, you will never find a color that is too similar where, I don't know, like they're too similar, so then you just have multiples of one color, if you get what I mean. And I don't know, I just like that he's so different with like his vision of makeup. Yeah, he did it again. I love this collection. Definitely check it out. I bought all my stuff on Beautylish. I don't know if I said that before, but I usually buy like the lip bundles on Beautylish just for the fact that I can split it into a few payments, so I can get everything that I want at the same time and not have to worry about anything selling out. I just wanted to apologize for the fact that my lighting isn't the greatest. I just have my big vanity mirror on the wall. That's kind of far away from where I am. Not far, but like far enough where it doesn't give the best lighting for a video. But I will be getting a ring light soon. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next one.
Cracky.